I've been thinking about, I have two screws in here, one in each side holding my ladder, but two's really not enough to make me feel real comfortable, especially when I start adding more to it. So I decided that I'm going to grab one of my hooks, or anchors, and what I'll do is tie some strap around it. Some nylon strapping, which can hold a lot of weight. Well, it says 5,400 pounds, grade 5. So I'm going to tie that around it, around one of the rungs, screw it into the roof, and then what I can do is once I pull that out, I can put in a normal metal roofing screw. And in the future, I can just pull one out, put it in. So I might use, 2 or 3 by the time I'm up to the top, plus what I have down here. So just adding extra support, just in case. I don't think it would come loose, but I want to make sure I have extra. Okay, we've removed some. So let's get our anchor in, and then we'll go up and remove some more.